Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss dietary fiber and its importance. This can be asked as a short note in theory exam. Learning objective for today's video are: first we will see definition and sources of dietary fiber. Then we will discuss dietary fiber's importance and its adverse effect. To download lecture notes and other interesting stuff related to biochemistry, please visit website biochemistrybasics.com. So what is dietary fiber? Dietary fiber is the name given collectively to indigestible carbohydrates present in the foods. And these carbohydrates consist of cellulose and hemicellulose, pectin, gums, and mucilages. By nature, they are non-starch polysaccharides. Dietary fiber is not digested by the enzyme of human gastrointestinal tract, where most of other carbohydrates like starch, sugars are digested and absorbed. The main sources of dietary fiber are plant sources like fruits, vegetables, grains, and pulses. Now we will see importance of dietary fiber. So first importance is its water holding capacity. So dietary fibers have a property of holding water and swell like sponge with increase in viscosity. Thus fiber adds bulk to the diet and increases transit time in the gut due to high viscosity. Second importance is absorption of organic molecules. So the organic molecules like bile acids, neutral sterols, carcinogens and toxic compounds can be absorbed on dietary fiber and facilitate its excretion. Third importance of dietary fiber is it increases the stool bulk. So fiber absorbs the water and increases the bulk of the stool and prevents the constipation by increasing bowel movements. Fourth importance is hypoglycemic effect of dietary fiber. So high fiber content improves the glycemic control and glucose tolerance and increases sensitivity to insulin. So that's why it prevents the diabetes mellitus. Another importance of dietary fiber is on satiety level. So dietary fiber provides feeling of fullness and helps to avoid overconsumption of calories. That's why it is also used in the treatment of obesity. Another importance of dietary fiber is its hypolipidemic effect. So fiber has a cholesterol lowering effect. Fiber binds bile acids and cholesterol and increasing their fecal excretion and thus decreasing plasma and tissue cholesterol level. So it helps to prevent heart diseases. So that is all about importance of dietary fibers. Now we will see activities of dietary fiber along the entire gastrointestinal tract. So in the mouth, dietary fiber stimulates the saliva secretion. In the stomach, it delays gastric emptying. In the small intestine, it delays absorption. And in the large intestine, it traps the water and binds cations. While its effect on the stool is, it softens the stool, it enlarges the stool and it prevents the staining. Now we will see significance of dietary fiber in the medicine. So dietary fiber helps to prevent constipation. It also prevents diverticular disease, hemorrhoids and irritable bowel syndrome. It improves the glucose tolerance and insulin response, particularly in the diabetes. It helps in the reduction of colon cancer. It helps in the reduction of hyperlipidemia, hypertension and other coronary heart disease risk factors. It increases the satiety and hence some degree of weight management. So this is the significance of dietary fiber in medicine. Now we will see adverse effect of dietary fiber. So dietary fiber binds some mineral elements like iron, calcium and zinc and prevents their absorption. Thus, high dietary fiber intake may lead to deficiency of these mineral elements. And degradation of fibers by commensal bacteria may produce flatulence and abdominal discomfort. So that is all about dietary fibers. These are my references. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe Biochemistry Basics by Dr. Amit and don't forget to press the bell icon so you can get all the notifications from it.